what kind of ads are you actually using? Are you using photos? Are you using videos? Are you using, are you dancing on TikTok videos personally yeah.
I'd watch Barbara, but I wouldn't
Yeah.
watch me. So we do a lot of original photography. That's
It's very important to us that
core
it's
background. We're not using stock, and if I'm ever tempted to use stock, Barbara yells at me and goes, "Don't be so lazy. You're a real photographer. Get out there and do some. Get out there and do some real work."
out.
So she kicks me out, makes me pick up my camera. And so we're shooting our own.
I like Barbara a lot. As long as she doesn't start making me do work.
Exactly.
like what she's
Right.
doing.
So we pick up a camera. We hire models.
Okay.
It's
weird. I haven't gotten any phone calls for a model.
I won't tell you what the bodies are, but so we actually commandeer Fluff and Fold from Charles Measley, and we shoot a lot of our photo shoots in laundromats, his laundromats. So
awesome.
yeah,
It works
so in the creative. They see, this is something that everybody should write down for any kind of ad you do. Faces sell, no matter what. Faces sell products, right? Food, so for example, we do a lot of food photography for the Indigo Hotel. It's a worldwide hotel. We do some food photography for them. When we shoot, it's like, food is lusty. You look at it, you're immediately motivated to figure out how you can stay at the Indigo Hotel, right? Well, for other products, faces are what sell. That's what makes something approachable. Doing an ad with clean towels is not enticing. But seeing a friendly face in an ad holding a clean towel or a comforter is enticing because you're like, oh, that person, they're using this laundromat. They have a friendly face. Maybe that person works there. I like friendly faces, so I want to go there. So I would say no matter what kind of ads you're doing, whether you're using geofencing or not, it's not as important as, are your ads engaging? Are you including faces of real people, not stock photography? The iPhone 14 Pro Max that we have now, on
you can do anything with it.
Put in portrait mode, and you're going to get a gorgeous image. So yeah, we're putting faces in a lot of our ads.
It's very personal, which is awesome.
Yes, and yes, we can do video. We can turn a video into a geofencing ad. So a 15-second, 30-second, 60-second ad if someone views it, we can track their device, we can anonymize it, and then we can record a visit when they come in after seeing that ad.